A lot of AI channels have been demonetized over the past 3 months, and here is the shocking part. Over 70% of AI channels will still get demonetized again. The problem is most creators don't even understand the term inauthentic content and what YouTube means by that. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down what it means, inauthentic content, so that you can be on the safe side, because YouTube is not joking over this whole thing. If you don't understand what it means to create original video, you will fall into the walls of those who their content will be demonetized again. And don't get me wrong, AI is not even the problem. Even those who have faced channel can also face this because of inauthentic content. Mind you, I spent almost 100 hours trying to research what inauthentic content means, so that you won't go over to start searching for it again. So do well to like, subscribe, and share this video to an AI creator or to a creator that needs the video. If you are watching for the first time, this is Tube Metrics, and here we are committed to grow your YouTube channel from scratch to monetization and beyond. First, let us define the word inauthentic. Inauthentic means any video that does not have a life by itself, does not have an expression by itself. It was not created by the creator. The creator was just an expression of an idea of something. That is what inauthentic means. Most creators, especially AI channels, they just showcase what an AI created for them, not what they created through AI. And that is where YouTube have issues. YouTube wants you to create the video by yourself, but use AI as a tool that help you create it faster. That is the major thing. And this thing is not even about visuals or about voiceover or about any other thing. It's about these three things. It's what I call having a visual expression of your creativity. Your creativity have to be displayed. Your creativity is not a tag. Your creativity is not a subtitle. It is just an expression, something that you can rarely find, something that is unique to you, something that can distinguish your work from another person. That is what it means, creativity. Most people who are doing AI channel, if you watch them, you will notice that they have similar patterns. So it makes everything boring. It makes the platform boring. Have you ever watched certain type of videos that have almost the same storyline, the same actors, the same thing? If you notice, you will always feel bored with those videos. That is exactly what YouTube is fighting against. This thing has become so much that most AI creators just go over to ChatGPT, and then after ChatGPT, they go over to their respective AI website or app, and then they just click a button. There are some AI channels that can give you a full video now, 5-minute, 10-minute video. They can give it to you, and there will be zero creativity from the person. You need to showcase your creativity. Let me give you a practical example. For example, if you are doing a Bible niche, and instead of you doing the normal epic Bible niche that is going to be surrounded with hills and an Israelite setting, you decide to make it modern. You create a channel that you say, what if the Bible feels like this generation? Maybe Moses begin to dress in a futuristic style, or David begin to dress like a robotic AI. Do you understand? That is now creativity that is coming up. This is one example out of so many that will help you understand that you are putting a lot of thinking and work into it. Number 2 is mass production of the same pattern and stories. Mass production of the same pattern and story make your channel very boring. People will not want to watch the channel because they feel that they already know the next thing. They already know how it ends. So if you want to do AI channel, you need to begin to understand how to produce distinct story, distinct things. If you can create those type of content, you will have more probability not to be flagged inauthentic. Number 3, it goes down to your packaging. That's the truth. If your packaging look like the packaging of the other channel, YouTube will just feel that it is real, but that is doing everything. So your packaging, your thumbnails, the title, the name of the actors need to be distinct. You need to start forming things in your head that you have not seen before. You have not seen any other place before. So that is what YouTube is talking about. And then lastly is to have a channel trailer. Having a channel trailer is you coming out to inform YouTube about yourself, like making a first video about your channel where you introduce yourself and you tell YouTube that you are the face behind this channel. This helps so much, and it is going to make YouTube understand that all this content is produced by one person and you will be safe. The truth is, if you really want to do AI content, it's going to take the same time it takes to do a talking head video or a vlog. That's just the truth. It is not an easier way. You are going to do a lot of editing, and that's also another thing. Your editing is very important. So you are going to do a lot of editing. You are going to put in the work as much as a talking head video. AI sometimes it just need to be a shortcut. It does not need to delete your whole idea. When it comes to a point in your life where AI is the one giving you idea, YouTube will begin to fight your videos. So that is all for today. If you are watching for the first time, like I told you, this is Tube Metrics, and do wait to drop your comment below. Tell me about your experiences so far with monetization of AI channels. Bye.